morning children, welcome back to GM Donda's e-learning class. In our today's session, our subject is science and the chapter number 7, natural calamities. Now do you know this word natural calamities? The event which is occurred by the nature. Any kind of event that cause a great damage. मतलब कोई ऐसी घटना जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एनवायरनमेंट और पीपल और ऑल द लिविंग बींग्स को इफ़ेक्ट करता है और बहुत ही ज़्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज अ नेचुरल कैलामिटीज़. इट इज़ नॉट अकर्ड बाय द ह्यूमन and that is why it is known as a natural calamities, right? By the end of this chapter, we will come to know how many types, various types of natural calamities, what it can be, then which type of steps we can take to reduce, and then it is our moral, everyone's moral responsibility or say moral duties to help out the affected people by the natural calamities, right? Calamities are the events that cause the great damage. Just now I explained, right? To the humans' life and the properties. All kind of natural properties as well as personal properties. A natural event that causes great damage to the life and property is called natural calamities. This is the define for the natural calamities. Now earthquakes. Which type of calamities are there? Earthquake, cyclones, floods, tsunamis, droughts, famine, volcanic eruptions are the examples of natural calamities. Now first here we will see what is earthquake. So you all have heard this word earthquake, right? When the earth shakes, earthquake occurs. You may have heard about the Indian Ocean earthquake in the December 2004, which has taken place in the December 2004, and the devastation is caused all over the Southeast Asia. बहुत ही भारी नुकसान हुआ था. कहाँ पे? In the southeast of Asia. The crust of the earth is made up of many plates. जैसे आपके रूम की फ्लोर होती है ना, इट इज कवर्ड विद द सीमेंटिंग, कॉन्क्रीटिंग एंड देन टाइलिंग, राइट? द सेम वे अर्थ की जो क्रस्ट होती है दैट इज ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ द मेनी टाइप ऑफ plates. This way it is settled nearby to each other, right? Side by side. Now when these plates slips past each other, the ground shakens. पूरी जमीन हिलती है because of these plates स्लिप होने से एक दूसरे के साथ टकरा के ऐसे ऊपर नीचे स्लाइड हो जाती है या तो थोड़ी सी ऐसी टिल्ट हो जाती है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द ग्राउंड शेकन एंड इट माइट रिजल्ट इन टू द क्रैक्स इन द डेवलपिंग इन द वॉल्स एंड हाउसेस. इट डेवलप्स इन द कहाँ पे ये क्रैक्स और ये सब होता है? वॉल्स एंड हाउसेस, एंड समटाइम्स बिल्डिंग एंड हाउसेस में इवन फॉल डाउन, ये गिर भी सकते हैं. Dams and bridges and roads might be damaged. Not only it doesn't only affect the houses, but it affect the dams and over bridges and roads also. When an earthquake occur under the sea, जब ये सी के अंदर भी सेम अर्थ क्रस्ट होता है, व्हेन इट अकर्स देयर, तब क्या होता है? इट कम्स ह्यूज वेव्स, बहुत ही हाई वेव्स आते हैं, एंड दैट इज नोन एज अ त्सुनामी. द इंडियन ओशन अर्थक्वेक इन 2004 गेव द राइज टू द त्सुनामी दैट किल्ड ऑल ओवर 1,70,000 people. A big loss, right? Here you can see the picture of a earthquake. This way house can fall down, right? The intensity मतलब how we can come to know कि कितना नुकसान होगा. तो it is not said that कि इतना ही नुकसान हो सकता है. We cannot judge in advance, right? So उसकी earthquake की intensity कितनी होती है, कितने रिक्टर स्केल का earthquake occur हुआ, it depends on that. Intensity of the earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. A strong earthquake can topple the chimneys, causing fire also. Agar if it affect the chimneys, then it can cause the fire also. It affect to electric wires also and water bodies also. Sometimes people lose of their belongings and also their loved ones also. मतलब खुद की चीज़ें, खुद का घर तो खो ही देते हैं, साथ में उनके अपने भी चले जाते हैं because of this earthquake. Now a volcanic eruption can also cause an earthquake. ये volcanic eruption की वजह से भी earthquake हो सकता है. A volcano is a hill or a mountain like formation. कैसा formation होता है? It is like a hill or a mountain type formation, and from that a magma comes out, through which magma gases come out of the earth. Earth के अंदर जो crust में जो magma होता है, that comes out. The magma is called lava. When it is on the surface of the earth, मतलब अर्थ की सरफेस पे बाहर आ जाता है. India's only active volcano is located in the Barren Island, which is one of the island in the Andaman. कहाँ पे आया Barren Island? In the Andaman, right? You all might have heard the name Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now after an earthquake, after occurring the earthquake, what happens? So people have to live in the tents if they have lost their houses. Then obviously they were not having any food and many problems they have to face in the tents for many weeks until they can build their house again. The government provides tents, beds and the food to homeless people. Then for the helping and rescue operation, army is also called. Japan is very prone for this to the earthquakes, right? Earthquakes are very common in the certain parts of India too. India के कुछ part में भी ये earthquake is very much common. Now what should we can do if there is earthquake? How we can save ourselves, right? If we are feeling that ground is started shaking, हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि ground हिल रहा है पूरा, then we have to see the fans or pictures on the wall start shaking. हम ऐसा अगर feel कर रहे हैं, then we have to immediately rush up out of the house if we can quickly do that. अगर हम भाग के बाहर निकल सकते हैं, that it is fine, but ऐसा हो सकता है now people started living in the multi-storied building, right? So they cannot come down easily very much fast. So what they can do, we have to stand in a one corner or below the wooden table. Simply run out of the building as fast as we can, or safer outside where nothing can be fall on our head, right? Do not enter the building even after the earthquake stop. earthquake stop हो जाए उसके बाद भी building में enter नहीं होना है. Why? Because it may occur after shocks also. क्योंकि इतनी सारी लैंड मूव होने के बाद वो इजीली स्टॉप नहीं हो जाता. इट स्मॉल इंटेंसिटी के अर्थक्वेक बाद में भी शुरू रहता है. दैट इज नोन एज ए आफ्टर शॉक्स विच शेक द ग्राउंड आवर्स और इवन डेज आफ्टर द मेजर अर्थक्वेक ऑल्सो. ये खाली कुछ घंटे ही नहीं चलता, कभी कभी कुछ दिनों के बाद भी आफ्टर शॉक्स शुरू रहते हैं. नाउ साइक्लोन एंड फ्लड्स. You all know what is cyclones. The common occurrence in the which area? Coastal areas, right? A cyclone is a very strong wind accompanied by the very heavy rain. बहुत ही तेज, जोरों की तेज हवा चलनी और साथ में जोरों की बारिश होनी. दैट इज नोन एज अ साइक्लोन. अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड एंड रेन डैमेज हाउसेस एंड स्पॉइल द क्रॉप्स ऑल्सो. They don't only damage houses, it can damage people also, it can damage farms जिसमें हमारा crops होता है, right? From where we get the food. They can even blow down the electricity lines also. Electricity के जो poles लगे होते हैं, उनके जो wire होते हैं, that also break down and it can damage that also, right? When there is heavy rain, rivers risen above their banks. नदियों में बाढ़ आती है. The overflowing water from the rivers enter the homes and fields, then causing floods. Floods also happen near the sea during the cyclones. मतलब जब जहाँ पे साइक्लोन होता है सी कोस्टल एरियाज पे, वहाँ पे फ्लड की भी इफेक्ट होती है. द स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड कोज द हाई वेव्स कॉल्ड टाइडल वेव्स इन द सी. पीपल एंड एनिमल्स डाई ड्यू टू ड्रोनिंग. फ्लड एंड साइक्लोन्स कोजेस ग्रेट डैमेज. ये भी बहुत डैमेज करता है, नॉट ओनली पीपल but to the property also. Weather forecast. Now weather forecast जो होता है, what is their work? They study the weather. वो weather की study करते हैं. They can predict a flood or a cyclone. वो predict कर सकते हैं. Not actual time but a nearer time to that, right? They can warn to the people also by the media like TV, radio and newspaper, and they suggest the people to move to the safer places. Not only human, to the animals and other belongings also. They make their roofs strong and sometimes move away to the safer place. However, the crops get damaged. भाई इंसान को तो बचा लिया but crops get damaged. तो उसके बाद क्या हो सकता है? When the floods or cyclone occur, rescue workers are immediately put into the action. Rescue workers जो होते हैं उनको तुरंत काम में लाया जाता है. These workers could be people from the common community or a government agencies, or it can from the army also to help out the people. Then government and other agencies start the relief camps for the homeless people to provide them medicine, food, drinking water, bedding, and provide it to the those who are in the need, those who are affected from the floods or the cyclones. Doctors are put on for the special duty since there is usually an आउटब्रेक ऑफ डिजीज सच एज, मतलब ये सब होता है तब ये विच काइंड ऑफ डिजीज कैन बी देयर, कॉलेरा, गैस्ट्रोमेट्रिक प्रॉब्लम, देन टाइफॉइड एंड मैनी अदर प्रॉब्लम्स ऑल्सो. देयर मे बी इवन केसेस ऑफ स्नेक बाइट. वाई? बिकॉज बहुत ही सारा पानी बहता है, देन soil erosion will also start, right? and उसके वजह से जो ज़मीन के अंदर सांप होते हैं that come out all the many of the snake and it can bite to the people also. The Red Cross provide the services and goods like medicine and clothing to the affected people. Now drought and famine. What is drought? A drought is a very dry period with a rainfall far below the normal rates. मतलब जो नॉर्मल रेट में बारिश होती है उससे बहुत ही कम रेट में बारिश होना, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द लैंड विल गेट ड्राई एंड ऑल द क्रॉप्स विल बर्न एंड दिस इज नोन एज द ड्रॉट. In our country in the year 2002, several regions did not get enough rainfall. States such as Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Maharashtra, Orissa, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu were declared drought affected area. If there is no rain, there is not enough water for everyone. Reservoirs, ponds and lakes dried up. Wind erosion which strips land of the its fertile topsoil. Here you can see in the picture, जो ऊपर की टॉप सॉइल मतलब टॉप सॉइल होती है which is fertile, it gets eroded, right? A poor monsoon rains cause the groundwater level to drop sharply and people in the cities do not get water in their taps. जो ग्राउंड वाटर होता है उनका लेवल नीचे हो जाता है एंड द पीपल नॉट गेट द इनफ वाटर फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. फार्मर्स डू नॉट हैव इनफ वाटर फॉर देयर क्रॉप्स डाई एंड देयर इज अ लेस फूड. अगर क्रॉप्स ही ड्राई हो जाएगा या डाई हो जाएगा, व्हाट विल हैपन? जितनी चीज़ें मार्केट में प्रोड्यूस होके मिलती है वी विल नॉट गेट दैट मच इनफ क्वांटिटी ऑफ फूड, राइट? द रिजल्ट इज दैट द प्राइसेस ऑफ फूड आइटम्स गो अप. क्या होगा उससे? सारी चीज़ें महंगी हो जाएगी. लाइव स्टॉक एंड द अदर एनिमल पैरिश टू इन द saving roads. The people may even die because of the shortage of a food. बहुत ही फूड की शॉर्टेज हो जाएगी, then people may die also. Because of the shortage of food and this is known as a famine. क्या कहेंगे उसको? famine कहेंगे. There are may also be a widespread diseases due to a famine. फेमाइन की वजह से बहुत सारी डिजीज भी हो सकती है, लीडिंग टू द एपिडेमिक्स. Large amount of money are needed to deal with this drought, as food and water have to be distributed to a large number of people. इसके लिए बहुत सारे पैसे की भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. The government and many non-government organizations provides money and help the people. Natural calamities can be slow down the progress of a country. क्या इफेक्ट कर सकता है? कंट्री की प्रोग्रेस को इफेक्ट करता है. इट कैन बी स्लो डाउन. हाउएवर इट इज टाइम टू कम टूगेदर एज अ नेशन एंड फेस द प्रॉब्लम बोल्डली. हमें हिम्मत जुटा के ये सारे जो नेचुरल कैलामिटीज़ की इफेक्ट होती है उनको साथ में मिलके उनका सामना करना होता है. A natural event caused the great damage to the life and property is known as the natural calamities. Earthquakes occur when the plates in the crust slip past each other. एक दूसरे के ऊपर आ जाए तब earthquake आता है. Then volcanic eruption can also occur. Then cyclone. What kind of natural calamities we have understand about, right? Cyclone is a very strong wind accompanied by the heavy rain, right? Cyclone may cause floods and tidal waves near the coastal areas. Then earthquake in the sea cause the tsunami. A drought is very dry period with a rainfall far below the normal rate of the rainfall, and drought may lead to the famine also. Okay children, I hope you have understand the chapter clearly. You have to read this chapter 2-3 times. Watch the video also. Thank you and have a nice day.
An accident is an unfortunate happening that occurs suddenly. It can take place anywhere. But some unfortunate happenings, such as earthquakes, tsunami, and volcanoes, occur due to nature's fury. These are called natural disasters or calamities. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by movements or vibrations deep inside the earth. The reason for these vibrations lies in the tectonic plates inside the earth. The earthquake takes place when these tectonic plates move away from each other. This movement causes tremendous vibrations on the earth's surface, known as seismic waves. The location under the earth where an earthquake starts is called hypocenter, and the point on the earth's surface directly above the place where the earthquake starts is called the epicenter. Earthquakes are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. The strength or magnitude of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. The scale was invented by Charles Richter in 1935. The damage caused to life and property by an earthquake depends on the place of its occurrence and the strength or intensity with which it occurs. An earthquake, especially which takes place under sea, can cause other disasters like tidal waves. It can also cause landslides and fire. By getting forewarning, the damage to life and property can be reduced by earthquakes. But earthquakes cannot be eliminated. If you are caught in an earthquake, move out of the building or from the house to an open space away from trees and buildings. Also avoid entering in a building for some time even after the earthquake stops. Most importantly, if you are not able to move out of the building, then take refuge under a study table or a cot and stay there till the shaking stops. These are also known as drop, cover, hold on steps. Man is really helpless against the terrific power and fury of earthquakes. But sometimes these earthquakes also help mankind by bringing out the submerged part of a river or sea by the crumbling of the land. Now let's recall all about earthquakes. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the
Oh my God! What is happening? I'm scared. It must be tsunami wave. Tsunami? What is that? Tsunamis are giant waves caused by earthquakes or volcanic eruptions under the sea. We should move to some safe place. Hurry up!
Let us discuss how a tsunami is formed. A tsunami is caused by the underwater disturbances such as earthquakes or sudden trembling of the tectonic plates and volcanic eruptions. These types of underwater disturbances first displace a huge amount of water, due to which ripples are formed around the event inside the ocean. The ripples finally turn into huge waves when they approach the coast. These huge waves form a tsunami. The waves in a tsunami may travel up to hundreds of kilometers in an hour and can range in height from 1 meter to 20 meters and more. Therefore, they cause massive destruction as they strike or crash into the shore. They can wipe out entire coastal villages or towns from the map of a country. The world has witnessed many tragic tsunamis in the past. Who can forget the tsunami disaster that occurred on 26 December 2004 in the Indian Ocean? On this unfortunate day, several countries of South Asia and Southeast Asia faced the disastrous consequences. It was one of the biggest disasters caused by tsunami waves, which killed almost 3 lakh people. Countries which got affected most by this disaster were India, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Maldives, Myanmar, Somalia, Sri Lanka, and Thailand.
This place seems safer. Both of you can play now.